Welcome everybody back to the channel. Now, you're probably wondering, what happened? Why is there so much secrecy in the name? Why does it just say AVATA flying in the snow? What are other secrets happening in there? Well, I'll tell you what. There are no secrets. That's just a video of the AVATA flying in the snow. Now, before you click off of that thinking that it's dumb and lame, it isn't. I promise you. It's very cool and it's got some good music. Now, this was supposed to be filmed before Christmas. Unfortunately, we didn't get snow till like a couple days ago. So now it's coming and getting posted now. Here's a sneak peek onto a future video. I got a new truck. I'm really excited to start filming with this one. We're gonna do a whole build series on it. So stay tuned for that. You're not gonna wanna miss it. And you're probably thinking, well, what happened to the old, gorgeous, beautiful F-150, that square body that was really pretty, that was in a couple of my vids? Well, it is right there. It's not going anywhere. We're gonna get into the video because some people have commented, like family members, that they don't like seeing my face this much in the videos. I'm like, well, you have to have a pretty face in the videos, so that's why I put mine in there all the time. Anyway, I'm setting myself a goal. Is going to hit 5 million subscribers by the end of the year. I'm just kidding, okay? Let's shoot for 200, about 2025. What do you think? Is that doable? I think it might be. All right, well, I'm gonna stop talking and get into the video.